When we work with Microsoft Word and create a table, you might have noticed that at the very first row, we are entering our caption and that is being displayed accurately. But when we create number of rows, add more rows to the same table, what happens on the subsequent pages, the caption do not appear automatically. So we have to insert that manually. If you are not aware of the inbuilt feature of Microsoft Word, you can see that the caption is being displayed on the very first page, but on subsequent pages the caption is not appearing. So you need not to insert any row manually and copy paste the same caption every time. So it is being done by Microsoft Word automatically. So how to do that? Let us see. So what we have to do, we have to make a selection of the caption title which is available on the very first row of the table and click on table layout. You will find the table layout at the rightmost side, and you have to just click on that table layout, and here you will find the option repeat header rows. This is the option which we have to use. So I am just clicking on the repeat header row, and you will see that the same caption has been repeated on the second page. Not only second page, all subsequent pages where the table has been used on every page, that will be repeated automatically. I hope you have understood the logic. So let us have another table also which may have more than one rows. So here you can see that this table I am using as multiple rows header. Means in first table I had only caption on the first row itself, but now this particular table has two or more rows as well. So how to do that? The same process is to be repeated. You can see that on subsequent pages headers are not appearing right now, but as soon as we repeat the same thing, it will be displayed. So what we have to do? We have to make a selection similarly of the entire data set which I want to repeat. So both repeat. If you want to repeat more than two, we have to make a selection of two or three or four, as many as rows you want to repeat on each and every page, that is to be selected only. After that, we have to click on table layout, and similar to the first one, we have to click on repeat header. That's all. So as soon as we click on repeat header, you can see that now the header of two rows also appearing in the same way as the first. I hope you have got the logic behind that and the operation is done. Thank you so much for watching.